Hey, plant lovers! Ever wondered why some plants just don't thrive no matter how much you water or care for them? The answer might be hiding right under your feet, in your soil. Today, I'm going to show you how to test your soil at home with simple tools. No fancy lab needed. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what your plants need to grow better, faster, and healthier. Let's start with the texture test. This tells you if your soil is sandy, clay-heavy, or loamy. Just take a handful of moist soil, not soaking wet, and squeeze it in your hand. If it crumbles instantly, it's sandy. If it holds together like modeling clay, you've got clay soil. But if it forms a soft ball that holds its shape but breaks apart easily, congratulations! You've got loam, which is ideal for most plants. Now grab a clear jar, a bit of dish soap, and some soil from your garden. Fill the jar about 1/3 with soil, add water until it's nearly full, and a few drops of dish soap to help the particles separate. Shake it really well for a minute, then set it down and wait. After about 2 minutes, you'll see the sand settle at the bottom. After a few hours, the silt will form a middle layer, and the clay, if there's any, will sit on top. You now have a basic soil profile, and just from this, you can tell what kind of amendments your soil might need. Now, let's talk about pH. Most plants prefer a slightly acidic to neutral pH, around 6 to 7. Here's a trick using ingredients from your kitchen. Take 2 small containers of soil. To one, add half a cup of vinegar. If it fizzes, your soil is alkaline. To the second container, add a bit of water and then some baking soda. If it fizzes this time, your soil is acidic. No reaction? Lucky you, it's probably neutral. Still with me? Great, because this next one can save your plants from drowning or drying out. It's the drainage test. Dig a hole about 12 inches deep, fill it with water, and let it drain completely. Then fill it again and time how long it takes to drain. If it drains within 2 to 4 hours, you're good. If it's faster, your soil dries out too quickly. Slower than that? Your soil may have drainage issues and your plant roots could be suffocating. Now for a smell test. Yes, literally. Scoop up some soil and take a whiff. Healthy soil should smell earthy, a bit like a forest floor. If it smells sour or rotten, it could be waterlogged or missing beneficial microbes. One last trick: check your soil life. Dig a small hole and count how many earthworms or insects you see. If you find a few within a minute or two, that's a sign of healthy living soil. No bugs at all? It might be time to add compost or organic matter to bring it back to life. So now you know, without spending a single rupee or dollar, you've just learned how to test your soil's texture, pH, drainage, and even life. These simple checks can tell you exactly what your plants are missing and give you the power to fix it. See you in the next video, and until then, keep growing green.